Hi, my name is Ismael Campos. For this activity I choose the Toeci exam. Toeci is a test of English for international communication. It's an official certificate of English that serves both the professional and academic world, with which you can accredit from your level from A1 to C1. That is from beginner to advanced. It's also the reference American test, with great prestige and recognition, both in Spain and internationally. What is the purpose of this test? Produced since 1979 by the Educational Testing Service, the United States organization leader in English research and evaluation process. The Toeci test is an international certification to measure the level of English and diagnostic the oral and writing comprehension of English speakers of non-native English. What kind of people can take this test? National and international companies, business schools, universities, educational institutions, and language centers. What is the main purpose of this test? Help companies to select their new income and measure the capacity of their employer in the English language. Monitor the progress of students in the study programs. Evaluate the effectiveness of these programs. Establish from objectives according to student language skill. What are the most important characteristics of this test? Listening and reading is done in pencil and paper through a test type form, while the part of speaking and writing test is done through a computer with headphones and microphone. The answers are sent through a secure online scoring system. What skills are assigned through the test? 4 skills are avoided: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Give a clear and comprehensive explanation about the type of question that exam has and what is the score you can get, the lowest score and the highest one. Has a multiple choice exercise. Read the dialogue and mark the answers that you consider correct. Close exercise. Read the test fragment and then select from the option given the one that the best completes each target. The listening part be done through a short dialogue where the student will mark with the correct option. Another part to listen sentence and see images, where the student will close the imaging of sentence. In oral and writing comprehension, the score obtained ranges from 10 to 990. Range from 10 to 990 points, while in the speak and writing comprehension, the score obtained ranges from 0 to 200 points for each skill. Bye.